Conditional Formatting Cell Styles. Cell styles can be used to format the external characteristics of a cell. You can use any of the predefined options or define your own style and save it for later use. The greatest advantage of cell styles is that they help maintain a standard appearance or design throughout your work. In this lesson, we shall learn how to apply, customize, and remove a given cell style. Applying a cell style. Let's start with the steps that one needs to follow while applying a cell style. Step 1. Start by clicking on the cell you wish to apply a cell style to. Step 2. Then go to the Cell Styles button on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the drop-down selection button to view a list displaying available style options. Step 4. Choose the cell style you wish to apply. You have the option of choices from good, bad, and neutral based on the cell color. The Data and Model Group option has multiple styles based on cell color, text color, and even font. There are options for themes cell styles and for numerals. You have options like percent symbols, currency additions, and commas. Customizing cell styles. If you want to customize the cell's appearance further, Step 1. Click on New Cell Style in the drop-down list, which is visible when you click on Cell Styles option. A style dialog box appears where you can name the style that you want to define. Step 2. Click on the Format button. On clicking Format, a dialog box appears with multiple tabs for the type of customization you'd like to apply to a given cell. We'll go over some of the functionalities in each tab. 1. Number. Under the Number tab, you can specify the kind of input you want to allow in a given cell. This can be general, such as text, or numeric, like a percentage, a date, a fraction, among many others. 2. Alignment. Under this tab, you can not only modify the alignment of the text, but also specify its orientation, wherein it can be inclined. 3. Font. You can change the font, its style, size, and apply special effects to the text. 4. Border. This allows for customization of the thickness, style, and color of the border. 5. Fill. There are options to change the background color and to customize the fill effects, patterns, or pattern styles using this tab. 6. Protection. Using the Locked option, you can hide formulas or lock cells. However, this will not come into effect unless the sheet is also protected. To do so, select the Protect Sheet button under the Changes group in the Review tab. Removing a cell style. Undoing an applied cell style is also fairly easy. Step 1. Select the cell or cells you wish to remove the applied style from. Step 2. Under the Cell Styles option, click on Normal. Summary. And there you have it. A breakdown of cell styles and options that can be used to customize them.